A $100 bill buys almost anything today, but in a total grid-down crisis, that paper loses its utility. In that world, a 50-cent box of matches holds significantly more value. After Hurricane Katrina, relief workers documented a specific pattern in how supplies vanished from store shelves. High-end tactical gear and generators were often left behind. The items that people fought for were mundane basics costing under $10, specifically soap, matches, and basic medicine. We are covering 7 of these overlooked items today. One of them costs exactly $4, and it is a staple that combat medics keep in their kits alongside primary trauma gear. Your greatest risk is the assumption that modern infrastructure will always be there to provide these everyday conveniences. During the 2021 Texas winter storm, the power grid remained frozen for days. Families with plenty of stockpiled canned food suddenly found their supplies inaccessible. Every electric can opener in the state was useless. People resorted to using knives and screwdrivers, often injuring themselves just to open a single can of soup. A $3 manual opener solves this in seconds. Mechanical failures are just the start. Within 72 hours of blackout, every smartphone, tablet, and digital device in your home will likely be a break. When digital networks die, survivors rely on analog notes. A waterproof notebook and graphite pencils allow you to document medical records and evacuation routes in any weather condition. Surviving the initial phase of a disaster is about having analog backups for basic tasks. You do not need elite bushcraft skills. You just need a way to function offline. As systemic failures spread, the economic grid follows. Within hours of a major disaster, card readers fail and ATMs go completely dark as network connections drop. When your digital bank balance becomes inaccessible, your survival depends on the physical cash you have on hand. Large bills are effectively useless in these scenarios because nobody can make change. You need small denominations, ones, fives, and tens to execute actual transactions for food or fuel. Veterans often call 550 paracord the great equalizer because of its utility in field repairs. Military logisticians rank it alongside duct tape as a requirement for keeping a unit functional. Paracord is engineered with a 550-pound break strength. It contains 7 inner strands that you can pull out to use as fishing line, snare wire, or emergency sutures. When systems break, the value of an item shifts away from its price tag. It becomes defined strictly by its offline, functional versatility. In a prolonged crisis where paper currency loses its value, a local barter economy inevitably emerges. Historical record from post-war Europe and modern disaster zones show that plain bar soap becomes it is easy to store, impossible to break, and has an indefinite shelf life. Beyond barter, you must consider your own biology. During that same Houston storm, a father had to drive to 7 different pharmacies in the middle of a blackout. His child had a 103-degree fever. Because every pharmacy was locked and dark, a manageable fever became a life-threatening emergency in a matter of hours. The exact $8 medicine kit he needed had been sitting on store shelf for months. He simply hadn't thought to buy it before the storm hit. In a grid-down event, minor biological issues escalate into lethal threats the moment you lose the ability to outsource your health to a store. There are 93 commercial nuclear reactors operating in the United States. If backup power fails for more than 72 hours, these facilities face immediate cooling challenges, documented by the Nuclear Regulatory Commission. This map shows how close these facilities are to major population centers. Potassium iodide, or Ki tablets, are the specific medical formula used to protect the thyroid gland from absorbing radioactive iodine. After the Chernobyl disaster, regions like Poland rapidly distributed Ki tablets to their citizens, which kept thyroid cancer rates low compared to surrounding areas that lacked a supply. These tablets cost under $4. However, they historically sell out across the country within 48 hours of any reported nuclear incident. You can secure Ki tablets, 550 military paracord, and a manual can opener for under $12 this weekend. You do not need every item on this list today to be significantly better prepared. Survival is rarely about wealth or elite skills. It is the result of the cheap, mundane decisions